Good morning. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School, students of class second. Yesterday we have started our chapter places in a neighborhood. ठीक है? The area around our house is called neighborhood. You know many places you have in neighborhood. Some hospitals and stationery shops, mall, schools, park, these all are our neighborhood places. Bank is also, we have explained bank में क्या होता है, you know very well. We can deposit and withdraw money. We can deposit many precious things in the bank. Police station, how police protect us, how a doctor and a nurse help us in the hospital. Hospital is also a neighborhood place. Post office is very important for us. We can send monies, postcards to our friends and family members. Park, many neighborhoods have park. uh, Park is used for walking, for exercise, for playing children, okay, and swing children in the park. Let's start with market. You know market is how important for us. We need fruits, vegetables, bread, milk, eggs and many other things every day. There are markets in every neighborhood. You know these are our basic needs: fruits, vegetables, bread, milk, egg. From where we purchase it? We purchase it from the market in a neighborhood. अपने पास की मार्केट से आपके पेरेंट इसको लाते हैं. Which sell things of daily use? In neighborhood market, which sells थिंग्स इन डेली यूज की चीज आपको मिलती है. दीज मार्केट हैव शॉप्स. इसमें क्या रहती हैं? शॉप्स रहती हैं. लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द मार्केट. वी where we can buy different things from the market. You can buy many things. Next is your fire station. We call fire station if there is a fire in the neighborhood. If we got that there is fire in neighborhood, we should call uh, fire station. Firefighter work in fire station. Fire station में कौन work करता है? Firefighter. When there is a fire, firefighter come in red fire engine to put the fire out. ये देखिए, ये फायर स्टेशन है, ये फायर इंजन पड़ा है, इसी के थ्रू ये लोग फायर को हटाते हैं. द इमरजेंसी नंबर फॉर कॉलिंग पुलिस. पुलिस को कॉल करने का इमरजेंसी नंबर 100. फायर फाइटर्स का 101 और अगर आपको एम्बुलेंस चाहिए तो 102. ठीक है. प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप. Places of worship also we find in the neighborhood. In every neighborhood there are places where people go to pray. Every neighborhood, you know, there are some places where people go to pray. They are known as places of worship. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Places of worship. Temples, church, mosque and gurdwara are some places of worship. Look at the picture. Temple, church, gurdwara and mosque, these all are some places of worship. Okay. Now if we want to live healthy, we should take care of our neighborhood. Taking care of our neighborhood, this is our responsibility, this is our duty to make our surrounding always neat and clean. Okay beta, we should see what we should do. We should try to keep our neighborhood clean. We should try to keep our neighborhood clean and green. This is clear. कि हमको अपना आस पड़ोस हमेशा साफ सुथरा और हरा भरा रखना चाहिए. Some ways in which we can keep our neighborhood clean are given below. हम लोग अपना नेबरहुड को कैसे क्लीन कर सकते हैं? See what are the points. We should not throw गार्बेज आउटसाइड आवर हाउस और इन द ओपन. हम लोग को खुले में और ओपन प्लेसेस में गार्बेज को नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. गार्बेज कूड़ा सब नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज थ्रो वेस्ट इन डस्टबिन्स. वी शुड यूज डस्टबिन्स टू थ्रो द वेस्टेज. दैट इज क्लियर. डस्टबिन को यूज करना चाहिए. नॉट प्लग फ्लावर्स और लीव्स. देखो अगर प्लग फ्लावर्स और लीव्स करेंगे तो क्या होगा? आर सराउंडिंग हैज नो ग्रीनरी. हरा भरा नहीं रहेगा ना. प्लांट्स मोर ट्री. दिस इज वेरी गुड. प्लांट मोर ट्री. यूज डस्टबिन टू थ्रो द वेस्टेज. ओके चिल्ड्रन. What is shown in the picture? What is this? It is a stamp. Where do we go to buy it? Where do we go to buy it? Post office. Okay, help Aditya to reach the school. आदित्य को हेल्प करिए स्कूल जाने के लिए. This is the Aditya school. ठीक है, सो हेल्प हिम. देखिए आदित्य यहाँ से निकला ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. देन हाँ, अपने आप इसको करिएगा. आप लोग की एक्सरसाइज है. देखिए आ गया ना स्कूल अपने. ओके, वेयर विल यू गो व्हेन? हैव टू बाय स्टैम्प. स्टैम्प लेने के लिए कहाँ जाएंगे? वेरी गुड. पोस्ट ऑफिस. हैव टू टेक आउट मनी. बैंक. इफ एनीवन इल. हॉस्पिटल. ओके. Have to buy pencil. Market. Okay children, that is clear. The area around our house is called neighborhood. The area around our house is called neighborhood. Neighborhood मतलब आपका आस पड़ोस. ठीक है. बैंक, पार्क, hospital, market, police station, post office are some important places. ये बहुत ज़रूरी प्लेसेस हैं इन अ नेबरहुड. हमारे नेबरहुड में, पड़ोस में. दैट इज क्लियर. वी शुड कीप आवर नेबरहुड क्लीन. ओके. मैच द कॉलम्स. पुलिस स्टेशन, पुलिस ऑफिसर्स. डॉक्टर, हॉस्पिटल. लेटर, post office. Money, bank. Do this exercise in your book only. Choose the correct answer. Dash is a place where we keep our money. Hospital, bank or park? Bank. We go to a dash to post a letter. Post office, school, market. Post office. We go to a dash when we are ill. Police station, fire station, hospital. Hospital. Very good. No beta, when we are ill we go to hospital. Okay, in this gap, you will write the name of the games which you want to play outdoor with your friends. Okay. Okay, do this work in your copy. यहाँ पे ई मिसिंग है, इसको लिख दीजिएगा, ठीक है। इसको question 1 2 this all work will be done in the copy. Okay children, RSST chapter number 2 has been finished. Okay children, good day and complete your work.